Welcome to Sound and Scribbles, sounds assigned to the letter A. There are two main sounds assigned to the letter A. There are also some odd sounds the letter A is attached to, like an R or W or NG, but we will cover those separately. The short sound of A. The short sound of A is heard in the words cat, had, and lamp. Isolating the short A sound. Close your eyes and isolate each letter sound in your head when you say the word cat. It's important to isolate the letters representing each sound, so let's practice. The short sound of A is ah. You hear the hard k sound of the C. You hear the short ah sound of the A, and you hear the sharp t sound of the T. Blend them all together and you have k, a, t, or cat. Again, the short sound of A is ah. The long sound of A. The long sound of A is in words like agent, grapes, rain, and great. Notice that there are several vowel combinations representing the long A sound. This is the sound of long A. A. Isolate the long sound of A. Close your eyes and say the word grapes in your mind until you can clearly hear the long A sound. Grapes. You hear the hard G sound, the rolling sound blending with the G. You hear the long A sound and the air pop of the P sound. The E on the end is silent because it is following a consonant. Blend them together for grapes. The vowel combinations that represent the long A sound, aigh and eigh, as in rain and steak. Eigh and ei, as in the words ate, and rain, as in the reins of a horse. A followed by a silent E. Remember, the E on the end is almost always silent in English, as in the word grapes and lake. Let's recap what we've covered about the sounds assigned to the letter A. The letter A has two primary sounds, the short A and the long A sound. Short A is in the word cat. Long A is in the word grapes. Thank you for watching. It's time to practice what you've learned in your sound book. Have a most wonderful day.